Hi everyone, glad to have you here. Today's journey is a bit of a marathon literally. We're traveling from Prague to Gran Canaria, but we have a 4-hour layover here in Malaga. We decided to leave the airport, jump on the local train, and see what the heart of Andalusia has to offer in just 1 hour. Malaga welcomed us with incredible architecture and these beautiful, sun-drenched streets. I'm filming all of this on the Samsung S26 Ultra, and I have to say, the colors are just popping. Look at the detail on these historic buildings. Even for a quick walk, the vibe here is so relaxing. It feels like summer has already started here. As we moved toward the coast, the city got a lot louder. We actually stumbled right into a massive running event. Many of the main streets were blocked off, and the energy was electric. Hundreds of people were out cheering, and it really turned our quiet walk into a high-energy experience. It's amazing how much life is in this city. We finally reached the port area and the famous Palmeral de las Sorpresas. This promenade is iconic. That white wave-like structure provides perfect shade. On one side, you have the Mediterranean breeze, and on the other, lush tropical gardens. Seeing the massive cruise ships docked right next to the historic center is always a highlight. Our hour is officially up, and it's time to head back to the station. It was a short trip, but totally worth the effort to get some fresh sea air. Now, we're off to the airport to catch our flight to Gran Canaria. Thanks for watching this quick detour. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel stories, and I'll see you in the next one.